I'm Michael Flesch, and we're in the interactive plant environment at Emerson's facility in Minneapolis, Minnesota. The Rosemount 4088 MultiVariable Modbus transmitter is specifically designed to be universally integrated into various flow computer hosts. Today, I'll be demonstrating the 4088's versatility by connecting it to an Emerson FloBoss 107 flow computer. For this demonstration, we'll primarily be using Rocklink 800 software on a Windows 10 PC to interface with the flow computer and transmitter. The Rosemount 4088 transmitter can be configured using either an RS-485 or MVS I/O module depending on the transmitter communication protocol. The 4088A is compatible with the RS-485 I/O module, while the 4088B is compatible with both the RS-485 and MVS I/O modules. The combination of the 4088B transmitter with the MVS I/O module enables the full suite of sensor calibration options, which we'll be using in this demonstration. Prior to interfacing with the flow computer, you must ensure that the Rosemount 4088 transmitter is powered to product specifications. As with many multivariable wiring techniques, we will utilize the RS-485 terminals in the terminal block to physically connect the transmitter to the flow computer communication bus, while also using a 120 ohm resistor in between terminals A and B. From your PC, open the Rocklink 800 software. Go to the Rock menu at the top of the screen and select Direct Connect. This will go through all available COM ports and baud rates and make the connection to the Rock. This process may take a few minutes. This sequence should open up a new window that shows a schematic of the various I/O modules you have in your FloBoss. Select the MVS I/O module from the diagram on the screen. In our demonstration, the module is located in slot number 2. In the window below, select the I/O Points tab, then select the MVS point where you want the device to be added by clicking the associated 3 dots in the configuration column. This will open up the window that will allow you to add a new device. With the multivariable sensor window open, the first thing you'll need to enter to search for a new device is the transmitter address. For this example, we used address 1 on the 4088, which is the standard setting from the factory, but can be changed locally in the device using a HART communicator. Next, select Read in the sensor configuration section to search for instruments connected to the MVS module. Click OK when the search is complete, then select Enabled in the scanning section. Select Apply, then Update. Upon completion of the device search and variable scan, you should now see a snapshot of the measured device variables in the left side of the window. Additionally, if you wish to update the device tag, enter your preferred tag name in the free-form field at the top of the window. For this demonstration, we used FIT1. Once the tag name is entered, select Write in the sensor configuration section. Select Yes to save changes, OK when complete, and OK to close the multivariable sensor window. Lastly, to see real-time measurements, navigate to the View button at the top of the screen. Select I/O Monitor, then Multivariable Sensor, and click OK. Double-check these values to ensure they correspond to your process. If these values are correct, you have now successfully added a Rosemount 4088 to an Emerson FloBoss flow computer. To learn more, contact your local sales representative.